Good afternoon to my all students as well as all viewers. Today our chapter is section formula for class 10, 9 and 10. Section formula, let me take one question from the book R.S. Agarwal. Question number 1 for my serial number. A triangle given ABC in which vertex of all the vertex, A vertex given 1, minus 6, B vertex given minus 5, 2, C not given, that you have to find out. What is given here? Centroid of the triangle, that is G, given minus 2, 1. G is the centroid of the triangle ABC given, A vertex given 1, minus 6, B given minus 5, 2, and you have to find out the coordinate of C, means third vertex of the triangle ABC. You have to find out what is centroid. First of all, you should have basic idea about the centroid of a triangle. Centroid is a point of intersection of three medians of the triangle ABC. That means median means, suppose BC midpoint is P, then AP will be the median. Okay. Again, AB midpoint suppose Q, then CQ will be the median, and AC midpoint suppose R, then B are also median. All the three medians are intersecting at a particular point, and that point is called centroid of the triangle. Okay. In this question, question number 1 for my serial number, centroid given, that is minus 2, 1, and two vertex of the triangle given, third vertex not given. You have to find out third vertex. Let the third vertex of the triangle be x, y. As per the formula for centroid, that is G, the centroid minus 2, 1, the centroid formula is, I am writing, the sum of x coordinate of three vertices of the triangle, that means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and y coordinate will be same process, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. The sum of x coordinate by 3 and sum of y coordinate by 3. Now comparing this one, minus 2, 1, this is the centroid given, and here the first point, that is x1, 1, 1, minus 5, third vertex coordinate not given, that I am writing x by 3. The second one, minus 6 plus 2 plus y by 3. Comparing both sides, we will get minus 2 is equal to, this is 1 minus 5 minus 4 plus x by 2 by 3, sorry, and y coordinate is 1 is equal to minus 6 plus 2, that means minus 4 plus y by 3. So here I will get minus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus x, therefore x will be how much? X is equal to minus 2. Now find y. By cross multiplication, you will get 3 plus 4 is equal to y. This implies y is equal to how much? 7. Therefore, the third vertex of the triangle ABC is, that is C point, coordinate we got minus 2 and 7. Minus 2, this is the answer of question number 1 about the centroid of the triangle. Let us go next question. Question number 2 for my serial number. I have taken the question from the book R.S. Agarwal for class 10 ICSE board. A triangle ABC having three vertex A, B, C. A vertex coordinate given 6, y. B vertex given minus 4, 4, and C vertex given x, minus 1. This is x and y missing, you have to find out. And the centroid of the triangle G at origin, means centroid of the triangle is at origin. Origin means 0, 0. Now you have to find out the value of x and y. So using the centroid formula, using centroid of a triangle formula, what is that formula? Is The center is G denoted by G. The formula is sum of x coordinate, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and sum of y coordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula required to find the center of a triangle. And here the center of triangle is at origin, means 0, 0. Origin means 0, 0. Now put the value of x1 is how much here? x1 is the first coordinate of a, that is 6, y. X coordinate is 6, and here minus 4, and this is 6. 6 minus 4 plus x by 3, and y coordinate is y plus 4 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, 0. After that, comparing both sides, this is 6 minus 4 means 2. 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 0, and this is y plus 4 minus 1 is 3 by 3 is equal to 0. From here you can easily find x is equal to how much? Minus 2, and y is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is minus 2 and value of y is minus 3, using the center of a triangle formula. Okay, let us go next number 3. Question number 3. I have taken the question from the book R.S. Agarwal. Exercise question. ABCD is a parallelogram having vertex A, that is minus 2, minus 1 given, B vertex 1, 0 given, C vertex A, 3, A missing, you have to find out, and D coordinate, that is 1, B. All the vertex of the parallelogram given, you have to find out here. Unknown quantity, that is A and B, you have to find out. Okay, so which formula you will apply? As you know, the parallelogram having opposite sides parallel to each other and diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other means midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. Using this property, midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. Using this property, you can easily solve the missing number, that is A and B. The midpoint of AC means what? Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, that is A minus 2 by 2, and y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 3 minus 1 by 2. Sum of x coordinate by 2, sum of y coordinate by 2. Same process, midpoint of BD, that means 1 plus 1, sum of x coordinate by 2, and sum of y coordinate means b plus 0 by 2. Comparing both sides, you will get a minus 2 by 2, that is 2 by 2, means a minus 2 is equal to 2, 2 cancel, and the value of a will be 4. And second part, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 2, and here b by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to b by 2, means b is equal to how much? 2. In this way I am getting the value of a, that is 4, and value of b is 2. Which property I have applied here? As it is a parallelogram ABCD, the diagonal bisect. For this reason, midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. The section formula, very important part, it is a midpoint you have to find out. Using midpoint formula, midpoint is what? The sum of x coordinate, by 2, and sum of y coordinate, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula required for this question. Okay. Let us go next question. Question number 4. It is given PQR is a triangle. In this triangle, coordinate of P given, that is 6, 3, and coordinate of Q, that is given minus 2, 5, and coordinate of R given minus 1, 7. You have to find out the coordinate of centroid. 3 vertex of the triangle given, that means here coordinate of P given, that is 6, 3, Q vertex given minus 2, 5, and R vertex minus 1 comma 7. And you have to find out the center of the triangle ABC. So using the formula centroid of a triangle. Now apply the formula for centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle denoted by G. The sum of x coordinate by 3 comma sum of y coordinate by 3. So here x1, x2, x3 means x coordinate 6 minus 2 and minus 1. You have to add 6 minus 2 minus 1 by 3, and y coordinate 3, that is 5 and 7 by 3. Now you tell me 6 minus 3, 3 by 3 is 1, and this is 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 by 3 means 5. So what is the coordinate of centroid? Coordinate of centroid is 1, 5. Okay. In this way, the center of the triangle is found 1, 5. Up to 4 I have completed from the chapter section formula. Thank you for today's class. Next day we will do more sums.